Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening, to our seed saving series where I am showing you how to save seeds from a different vegetable every day this week as opposed to last year when we did a different flower every day. So today I am showing you how to save the seeds of squash. So squash is a pretty large family. You've got your acorns, butternut, zucchini, pumpkins, gourds, all those type of things fall in the same squash type family in terms of saving seeds. This is pretty easy. The most important part is making sure that you are saving the seeds once the fruit on the plant is at its maximum ripeness. So if I was looking here, I've got a butternut squash sitting here that's still green and is not anywhere near ready. It doesn't have its orange flesh. That is not ready to save seeds. Those aren't going to be good viable seeds. You're looking for things in your squash plants that are like absolute ripeness. So I will show you inside a zucchini that is absolutely ripe. So if you're actually doing zucchini, you're looking for not those small tender zucchinis that you would eat. Let me show you. So basically something this size isn't going to produce the seeds that you are needing to make new ones. There's not even really going to be any seeds in there. Even something like this size is only going to have minimal seeds. You're looking for something huge. You're looking for something that was on the vine for quite some time, has turned an entirely dark color. This is actually a golden zucchini, not a green zucchini. So its yellow exterior has gone really deep in color. It's a thick flesh. It's really big. This is going to have seeds in it that we want to save. So what you're going to just do is, it's very simple. Carefully cut into the zucchini or the squash or pumpkin, whatever it is you're cutting into of the squash variety. I cut mine lengthwise down the middle, and as you can see, here are our seeds in here. And that's what we're going to want to do, is take them out and we're going to just set them down on a paper towel. So try to get as much of this pulp off that you can. A zucchini or a squash this size is going to be pretty spongy, so it's going to be pretty easy. I'm just going to use a spoon to extract these. And like I said, just put them down on a paper towel. So if you have anything clumped together on the squash guts like this, you're going to want to separate those seeds off, because we do not want any of this moisture to stay on these. So just completely separate them off from that gunk. So now you've got your squash seeds on a paper towel. You are going to put this in a dry and a cool, dark, out of direct sunlight place. It doesn't have to be stored in a cabinet or anything. You just don't want these in direct sunlight. In about a week's time, you will see that they are completely free from being wet, completely dried out, brittle to the touch, and that is when you know your seeds are ready. I can show you what that looks like in about a week's time. And after a week, this is what we have, our dried squash seeds. So these were from zucchini, but I think I've already said this. You can do pumpkins, butternut squash, acorn squash, anything in the squash family, gourds, you name it. This is how you save it.